Hey guys, we're starting off with Oliver. This is Oliver. Just wanted to say thank you for joining our little shelter tour here. We're going to meet a whole bunch of great cats. And hopefully, since they haven't all been fed yet, they might actually be awake. Because usually, when we try to take a tour, they're fast asleep. So hopefully, this will make it a little more interesting for you guys. You gotta see these two kitties. There's a whole bunch. They're still kind of wrapping up feeding and cleaning and stuff. So there's a lot of commotion and there's adopters in here. It's kind of cool. Hi. You guys are so funny. These two kitties are about 10 weeks old. They're technically still on stray hold. Once their stray hold is up, they'll be up for adoption. Cute little house panthers. Hey guys, let's see. Gigi is somewhere in there. Let's check in on Junior, shall we?
Okay, yeah.
Hey Junior. Hey buddy. How's it going? He just wants to sleep. Let's see who else we got. This is Leo. Hey Leo. Well, that's interesting. He really wants to go home. Hey. He's trying his hardest to get out of this kennel. Margarita is up here. Hey Margarita. She's a pretty tuxedo girl. Got Sassy is here. I'm going to kind of circle back around because they're kind of still cleaning. Oh, you're cute. Look at this one. Hey, buddy. Who else is here? This is Blitzen. I guess someone's still a little nostalgic for Christmas.
Swan to adoption. Swan to adoption. Okay.
This kitty is a 9-week-old brown tabby. She's on stray hold. She's cute. Let's see, Smokey is still down here. If you haven't met Smokey, she's really sweet. Just a really sweet girl. She does need hypoallergenic food because it does irritate her skin to have other kinds of food. But she's a sweetie. I know her missing hair is not the cutest, as we can see, but she's a sweetheart. She just needs some love. Hey, Smokey. You're a little too close, sweetie. Okay. Let's see who else we have here. Hey, guys. Hi. We have some good news. This sweetie is tagged for transfer. I think through HPS, which is Houston Pet Set. So this is Gizmo. Good news for Gizmo. He'll be transferred out of state to rescue. Let's see who else we have here. Chroma. I'm trying to find this bed. Crema. You guys gotta see this one. This is a stray. Remember, we don't have any set time. Stray holds can be anywhere from 3 to 7 days while we try to look for the owner. If we can't locate the owner in that time, we'll go through our pet match cards and see if anyone is specifically requesting. If it's a purebred animal, we'll go through pet match and see if anyone's requesting that particular breed. But here we have a very cute 3.5-year-old Persian. I haven't seen his paperwork. All I know is the boy. I don't know anything about his personality. I'm so sorry, guys. But since he's still on stray hold, we don't have his adoption paperwork yet and personality profiles. So I don't know, but he's really cute. He's adorbs. He seems pretty friendly for a Persian. Sometimes they're kind of persnickety. Ah, good news for Whiskers. Whiskers got tagged for rescue. Congratulations, Whiskers. Ivy is here. Ivy needs a home. Hey, Ivy. Hi. This is the kitty that we shared a picture of earlier. This is Jerry. Jerry's almost 8 years old. Hey, Jerry. So pretty eyes. Teddy. Hey, Teddy. He's a ham. He looks like a cat, but he's a ham. Hey. Hey, buddy. Let's see. So we picked up over here. Sushi got tagged. This is Sushi, sorry. Sushi got tagged for rescue transfer also. So congratulations to Sushi. Just wanted to give our transfer coordinator, Jacqueline, kudos for arranging all of these transfers. It's really great. This is Squeaks. Squeaks also got tagged for transfer. Hi, Mom. A little cute little house panther kitten. Abba. Hey, Abba. Abba's like, no, I'm sleeping. This is Jazz. I don't know that you guys have met Jazz. Jazz hasn't been here too long. Let's see. Wet food only. Yes, he doesn't eat them. Oh, hey, Jazz. I haven't met Jazz before. Hey. Hey, buddy. I used to have a cat that looked exactly like him, though. He's cute. Hey, Robert. Yeah, that pineapple bed is really cute. I think that was on our Amazon wish list, and somebody donated it through Amazon. So if you want it, check it out on Amazon. This is Freckles and Angel. Well, it's Freckles sleeping on Angel's head. Well, there you go. Cats are cats. Cats are weird. Hey, Cheeto. Hey, bud. You feeling good? I'll have to say the cats are definitely more awake this time around. Maybe we'll stick to the 11:30 time. Hey, buddy. See, Sandy is down here. Teresa's foster. Sandy! Hey, say hi to people. Cheeto, we already said hi. Hey, Sandy. Oh, Cheeto. I know. He really wants to meet you. He's 1 year old. He really wants to get out of this cage. Sparkle is here. Hey, Sparkle. Yeah. Mew Mew, check it out. This is a good time for a video. Mew Mew is actually out of her hidey hole bed. Hey, you're awake. Isn't she pretty? We don't usually get to see a lot of her outside of her hidey hole bed, so it's kind of nice. Hey, cutie. She's waiting. She's like, I know you guys are going to feed me soon. I just want the food. I'm only here for the food. Let's see. Tigger and Piglet are here. Hey, guys. Hey, Buzz. We have a few hiding cats over here. Catsy Klein. Hey, Catsy. You got to see her. She's really cute. She kind of blends into the shadows, but I have to say I think she's my favorite cat at the shelter right now. This is Catsy Klein. Oh my god, I love her. Hey. Hey, cutums. She's adorable. She is about 3 months old. Oops. Up for adoption. Cassie. Oh, look at Flynn came out to say hi. You guys should be honored. Hey, Flynn. Flynn's another one. He likes hiding under his bed, not on top of it. I have a cat at home that tends to do that, and so anytime we sit on the couch and there's a blanket or something, we always have to make sure the cat's not underneath it. Hey, Flynn. He's cute. He is 5 years old. Okay. He's a chunky 14 pounds of love. Hey, buddy. We have a lot of red tabbies. Let's see. This is Mama. She's a little over 2 years old. Gets along with dogs and all ages of children, which is super cool. Cat in a bed, Alphonse. Hey, Alphonse. Hey, buddy. You gonna come out? Alphonse is actually a girl, not a boy. Hi. She's like, no, you don't have my food. Let's see who else we got. Hi. Suki. Hey, Suki. Oh, you can still play. It's fine. Salem. He is. So we have our volunteer here, and she's meeting with Salem. Salem actually got tagged by Houston Pet Set also, so he's going to be transferred soon. Super excited for these guys. Gives them another chance. This is Casper. Casper is front declawed, if anyone's looking for a declawed kitty. Hey, Casper. He's front declawed only, not on his back claws. Let's see. It's a cute little brown tabby, stray. It's still in stray hold for right now. This is Geo, another one of my favorites. He's fun. He's super playful. Hey, Geo. Hey. Hey. Hi. I think he would really like a laser pointer. Something tells me. Ooh, he really wants a laser pointer. He's super playful. Hey, buddy. He's one of those like cats that you think is kind of maybe half a person. Like, I think you can have a conversation with him and he would understand you. Hey, buddy. S'mores got tagged for transfer. Congratulations, S'mores. Olive is down here. She is one of our senior kitties. Olive is 9 years old. Super sweet. Hi, Olive. Oof. I staticked her as soon as she touched my hand. It staticked her. I'm sorry. I did not mean to do that. Okay. Again, this is Olive, one of our senior cats. And if you're a senior citizen and you adopt a senior animal, cat or dog, we will waive the adoption fee as part of our Seniors for Seniors adoption program. Okay. Lollipop. Are they both in here? Jake and Lollipop. I think they're both in that bed. Can they both fit in there? Yep. They're both in there. Hi, guys. This is Jake and Lollipop. I know, I can hear you purring. Can you hear it? This is Casper again. Hey, buddy. Hey, Sookie. So we've walked around the cat room, met just about everyone. And we're gonna go, we have one more cat to show you outside of the cat room. I know that's kind of weird. And then we're gonna meet some rabbits. And then we have 2 little ratums and a bird who needs a home. So hopefully one of you out there is looking for a bird or 2 parakeet, or a parakeet. 2 rats. We got them. Hi, this cutie is Tom. Tom is our FIV positive cat. We don't usually have a lot of FIV positive cats up for adoption, just because they can't be in the same adoption room as the rest of our cats. They do have to be separated. So he's out here in our welcome center where he'll stay until he finds a home. He's super sweet. He's 4 years old. He'd be a great friend for other cats if they already have FIV, if you need an FIV companion kitty, or if he will be the only pet in your home. That's also another option, the only cat anyways. He's really cute. So if you know of anyone looking for a special needs kitty, please send them our way. Let's see. We're gonna go see the bird and the rats first, and then we'll come back to the rabbits. So this is the bird. His name is Thelonious. I refer to him as Thelonious bird. He's a very pretty parakeet. He's kind of hiding in the back right now. Let's see if we can get him. Oh, see, he always does this. I try to take a picture and he goes where I can't get a good picture of him. Anyways, so there's Thelonious. And then over here, we have these 2 ratty rats. They are a bonded pair of rats. This is Scabbers and Templeton. And they need a home. Rats can make really, really great pets. Okay. Rabbits. Let's see what's going on. This is Lil Peep. A 1-year-old Florida White. He's got great ears. So cute. Big Mac here. Nice 1-year-old Californian. He's a chunky boy at 11 pounds. This is named Dimples. Dimples is in here. Let's see, Dimples. Hey, he's one of our newer Californians that just came in. Cookie down here is a guinea pig friend. It's kind of dark in here today with the rain. Cookie is a 1.5-year-old chocolate guinea pig. Hazel, our 2-year-old Rhinelander. And if you want to see any of these pets, you can always check our website. It updates in real time. Hi. So if you see them listed on the website, they are available for adoption. There's our buddy. And then Doe. This is a little guinea piggy. We've met him before. He needs to be the only guinea pig in the home. He doesn't get along with others too well. Hey, buddy. Cute. Bonded pair of guinea pigs. This is Maddie and Hazel. Let's see if we can find Maddie and Hazel. Oof, goodness gracious. Well, there went one of them. Hey, cutie. Where did you go? Well, there they are. And then last but not least, we have a baby down here named Boba, who is a 6-month-old Holland Lot. Sorry, this baby just came in too. Don't really know, but he's cute. Oh my goodness. How cute is that? Yeah. Anyways, that is all of our cats, rabbits, guinea pigs, little critters, a bird, 2 rats. That's all of them. So we are going to meet dogs soon at noon in just a few minutes. We'll go ahead and start another live video in a few. We'll meet all of our dogs and puppies. Yay, puppies. Everyone loves puppies. Thank you guys for joining us on our cat and rabbit tour. You guys have a great week, and we'll see you next time.